What's up, everyone? Today's project is a washer door latch. It has severed off completely into the receiver, so we are going to swap those out. So let's get to it. Here's the broken latch. As you can see, it's completely severed off. Half of it is currently wedged in the receiver, which is right there. So we'll be taking both off and swapping them out. Now for this project, I did have to special order the latch as well as the receiver. Got them both off Amazon, got here pretty quickly, but be sure that you order them ahead of time so that you have the right products to install them correctly. And there you have it. Like, subscribe, and comment down below what the next project should be.